There's also this extra psychological effect that you've spoken about, which is hilarious to watch, which once people, when the new model comes out, they try that model, they fall in love with it. Wow, this is the smartest thing of all time. And then they start saying, you could just watch the Reddit posts over time, start saying that we believe the intelligence of this model has been gradually degrading. It says something about human nature and just the way our minds work, when it's probably most likely the case that the intelligence of the model is not degrading. It's in fact, you're getting used to a good thing.
And your project grows, and you're adding slop, and you probably don't spend enough time to think about refactors, and you're making it harder and harder for the agent to work on your slop.
Mm.
And then suddenly, oh no, it's hard. Oh no, it's not working as well anymore. What's the motivation for like one of those AI companies to actually make the model dumber? Like at most they will make it slower if the server load is too high, but like quantizing the model so you have a worse experience, so you go to the competitor.
Yeah.
That just doesn't seem like a very smart move in any way.